From dull rocks to dazzling gems. Solve the mystery of unlocking nature's hidden beauty. Have you ever looked at an ordinary rock and wondered about the beauty it might be hiding beneath its rough surface? Transforming those plain stones into gleaming treasures seems like an impossible task without the right tools. Most kits are too noisy, messy, or complicated to enjoy. The frustration of achieving less than stellar results can make anyone give up on their gemstone dreams. But what if there was a fun, easy, and educational way to polish rocks into radiant gemstones while learning about geology? The National Geographic Hobby Rock Tumbler Kit is here to solve this puzzle. This kit takes the hassle out of rock tumbling by offering an elegant, user-friendly solution. Featuring a quiet, leak-proof rubber barrel, it reduces noise by 75%, making the process more enjoyable for all. A durable motor, designed to last for years, powers the operation with precision and reliability. Its one-touch timer and automatic shutoff feature mean you can set it and forget it, letting the tumbler work while you carry on with your day. With this powerful tool, you can reveal nature's hidden gems without stress or struggle. What truly sets this kit apart is its comprehensive accessory package. Unlike other products that leave you scrambling for extras, this kit includes everything. 9 types of rough gemstones, 4 stages of polishing grits, a sifter, and even jewelry fastenings. The full-color learning guide makes it easy to understand the process while sparking curiosity about geology. You're not just polishing rocks, you're diving into a hands-on STEM activity that blends fun, learning, and creativity into a seamless experience for kids and adults alike. Think rock tumbling is messy or inconsistent? Not with this premium quality kit. Its robust design ensures safe, efficient polishing for various rock types, delivering vibrant, durable gemstones every time. The precision-engineered components, like the stainless steel lid and rubber barrel, guarantee long-lasting performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hobbyist, the consistent results and exceptional craftsmanship make this kit a standout. Each stone emerges as a brilliant reminder of the power of persistence and a top-notch tool. Ready to save time, money, and effort while unlocking endless fun? The National Geographic Rock Tumbler Kit offers unbeatable value for its price. Perfect as a gift or a personal project, it combines affordability with premium features and professional-grade results. With every polished gem, you'll rediscover the joy of turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Whether for science enthusiasts or curious creatives, this kit delivers the ultimate resolution to your gemstone quest. Don't just imagine the possibilities, rock your world today.